How to promote affiliate links on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can start promoting an affiliate links on Snapchat. And to create an account on Snapchat, you could also use my affiliate link below the description for earn a small commission for additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Snapchat, it is a multimedia messaging application in which it allows users to send photos and videos known as snaps, and that typically disappear after being viewed, creating a sense of immediacy and privacy. And the app includes various features such as stories, which enable users to compile and share content for 24 hours and discover where brands can showcase ad support, short-form videos, and many more. And Snapchat is particularly popular among younger audiences, and it has 1 million daily active users and over 4 billion snaps sent daily. So on this platform, you could also start promoting an affiliate links. However, the first thing that we need to do is to simply join to the affiliate program of some brands. For example, we're going to choose the brands of Amazon, in which it is the world's largest online retailer and leading technology company specializing in e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. So as you can see, this platform Amazon offer an affiliate program called Amazon Associates, in which it is designed to help content creators, publishers, bloggers, and website owners monetize their online traffic and earn commissions by promoting Amazon products. So from here, as you can see, all you need to do from here is to simply sign up on this as an affiliate, and after that you could start promoting using the affiliate links or recommending, and after that you will earn a commission when a customer tries to purchase using your affiliate links. And using Snapchat, we'd also start promoting our affiliate links in Amazon so we can start earning a commission or money. So to sign up on this Amazon affiliate program, you can simply click the sign up button or the link in the description below, in which upon clicking on this button, we will automatically be directed on this page. And from here, we can start filling out a new application in here. And as you can see, all you need to do from here is to simply fill out all of the required information, including under this account info, where you are required to enter here your email address, your contact name, phone number, and even your address in here. While the second stage is to simply enter here your website and mobile apps. So by entering here your mobile apps or your website in here. So at this point, let's say I'm going to enter here only a website, and I'm going to use the YouTube website. So by pasting the link in here, just click this add button to proceed, and after that, just click the next button. And below here, it will ask you if there are any traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13. And just click no in here to proceed. Then click the confirm button in here. Now the next thing that you need to do under this profile is to enter here your preferred associates store ID in here, and also to tell about the content you create. Then below, you're also required to answer the question which of the following best describe your content. And after that below here, just simply answer this reCAPTCHA and answer the question, how did you hear about us? Then proceed by clicking the finish button, in which you will now be able to start creating your Amazon Associate account. And upon creating your account, you will be directed on this page, wherein as you can see, we're currently under the homepage of Amazon Associates, where below you can start tracking all of your earning commissions, earning overview, the number of total items shipped, your total earnings, total ordered items, and many more. It will show in here the total commission, total bounties, and even total clicks. So you can simply track all of those analytics in here. While on the top panel, you could also navigate these promotions, tools, reports, and even help. However, to start earning money using the affiliate links, all we need to do is simply go to Amazon.com in here, and then we simply choose which kind of product we want to promote on Snapchat. But as you can see on the top panel, it will show us this Amazon Associate site stripe in order to get the affiliate link of a specific product we choose in here that we're going to promote on this Snapchat. And from here under Snapchat, in promoting an affiliate links, we can start utilizing snaps and stories, in which you can include affiliate links directly in your snaps and Snapchat stories by simply taking a photo or video. Then just simply enter your affiliate URL in here. Likewise, in this story, it will show us a variety of icons in here, and by clicking the icon of URL in here, it will automatically copy the URL of this video. So that's basically what we're going to do, in which it will allow followers to click on the link immediately, enhancing the likelihood of conversions, and they will be directed on the Amazon product that we promoted using our affiliate links. And after that, we could also start personalizing our approach by sending an affiliate links through one-on-one chats in which this method can create a more intimate connection with your audience, encouraging them to trust your recommendations. While on the top panel, you could also navigate the spotlight in here that you could also utilize to promote using your affiliate links. However, in choosing an affiliate links, we firstly need to choose which kind of product we want to promote on this platform, Snapchat. And now to do that, all you need to do is simply go back on this Amazon.com right here and kindly choose which kind of product we want to promote. And as you can see, there's a variety of products we can choose from that we want to promote in here. Or you could also use the search bar. For example, if we want to promote a jeans in here, we can choose jeans for women, for men, and many more. And upon clicking on the search icon, it will show us in here all of the result of jeans with its corresponding prices, with its title, and even images of it. So from here, you can simply choose which kind of products we want to promote on Snapchat. For example, this one. By clicking this one, it will show us in here its corresponding product info, including the title, the name of it, the variation, and even the product details. And to get the affiliate links of it, just click the text on the top left corner, and it will show us the short link and full link of this affiliate links. So we can simply copy the link of it, and we will use this link in order to promote on Snapchat stories. And if one of your followers try to click the link on Snapchat, they will be directed on this page right here where they can start purchasing this product and will earn a commission from it. And now to start creating a story on Snapchat, all you need to do is simply go back on this Snapchat and click this icon on the top right corner, which upon clicking this post or story icon will be directed in here. But all you need to do firstly is to simply sign in your Snapchat account to proceed. And to do that, kind of click the sign in button in here. Then simply enter your username or email address to log in to Snapchat. Or you could also sign up by clicking the sign up button below here. Then you will be directed on this page. And all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information in here, including your username, your email, your password, your birthday, and many more. Then just click the sign up and accept button to proceed. And from here, it will show us on the left side panel some of the options, and by clicking these stories, we will be directed on this page right here. And by clicking this icon again to create a story on the top right corner. But as you can see in here, it also says that we also need to sign in to post videos to Snapchat. And in choosing a video that we're going to post on Snapchat stories, we could also use some other platform to get the videos that we want to input in our stories for free. And that platform, let's say we're going to use this pixels.com. And from here on the search bar, can enter what kind of images or videos you want or you're looking for. And as you can see, I just enter here jeans. And below it will show us that we can choose videos, photos, and users. And by clicking these filters, we could also set up the orientation to vertical, since we're going to post a story on Snapchat. Then proceed by simply clicking some of the videos we want to select. Let's say this one. So from here, we can simply download this for free, since we're trying to promote a jeans by clicking this free download, and also including the affiliate links of this Amazon jeans product that we're going to post on this Snapchat stories. And if the customer try to click the link, they will automatically be directed on Amazon right here, in which they can start purchasing this product and will earn a commission from it. But overall, that is just basically how you can promote affiliate links on Snapchat. Thank you.